Hey everyone, it's Joe and Ryan, and today we're going to talk about the zodiac. So you've heard of zodiac signs, obviously, but what is the zodiac itself? Like, what actually even is it?
Before we talk about what the zodiac is, we have to talk about what the ecliptic is. And the ecliptic is the apparent path of the sun around the Earth. So we know that the Earth actually travels around the sun, but because it looks like we're sitting still from our vantage point here actually on the surface of Earth, it looks like the sun goes around us. But it's not just the sun that kind of moves around this area. All of the other planets follow the sun around this area of the sky, and this is called the ecliptic. So the sun sets the line of the ecliptic, and the other planets follow along this same line very closely. So it's sort of this area of heightened activity in the sky.
So the reason the ecliptic is important is because the zodiac is an imaginary band that follows the ecliptic around Earth, and it overlaps with 13 of the constellations. The zodiac is divided into 12 equal 30-degree segments, and those are the zodiac signs that you're familiar with. Now, it's important to note that they are named after the constellations that they are near to, but constellations and zodiac signs are not in any way the same thing. Constellations are named groups of stars, and zodiac signs are 30-degree divisions of the ecliptic.
Don't forget it. Signs are math, constellations are actual stars.
That's a really great distinction.
So that's sort of a technical definition of what the zodiac is, a band that follows along the ecliptics, planets are in it. But what's the actual purpose of the zodiac? What does it do? Why do we have it? What's its function in astrology? And it's essentially just a celestial measurement system. It tells us where in the sky a planet is at any given time. So when we talk about like the sun being in Cancer, that's not just some arbitrary thing that's made up. It's an actual position of the sun in the sky at a given point in time. So if you're born with the sun in Cancer, that wasn't just something people made up. It was a legitimate system of determining where the sun was at any given time. So unfortunately, because things just can't be simple, there's not just one zodiac, there are actually three. We're both Western astrologers, so we will be using, everything that we talk about will be in reference to the tropical zodiac, which is probably what you guys are most familiar with anyway, so it's not such a big deal.
But we'll explain the other zodiacs, the two other ones, in a separate video. So that's it, guys. That's a definition of the zodiac for you, and hopefully that explains some background on why we have it and how we use it.
So let us know what you think, or if you have any questions or comments in the comment section below, and we'll do our best to get back to you.